dirt on me.
Dear oh dear.
Wow, that's YouTube worthy.
This would definitely be going on YouTube now. May I remind all our viewers that Mark is actually sober.
Yes. But I just play it at home. Okie dokie do.
Why is it pink? So fucking gay.
Grenadine. Oh really, Aaron? Drink up.
Perfect for you, Aaron. Fuck off.
Have a tasty.
Somebody take
Okay.
the
And you can
first
chug
drink.
from the
Oh,
Yoda.
thanks, mate.
Have a taste.
How's it taste, Aaron? When you have a sip, obviously. Not before.
Smells like cough medicine.
That's good.
Wicked.
Should be really nice. It's made with vodka. Normally it's made with.
Yeah,
What do you reckon?
I just
Nice.
farted.
Yeah.
Still tastes like cough medicine, but nice.
No, nice cough medicine. Cough medicine.
Awesome.
Thanks, Aaron.